Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Uber app. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.